What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox join error code 600. Now if you're getting this error here, well, there are a few things that you need to do. So first things first is you want to open up your browser here, go to roblox.com and just access your account. But I'm assuming you already did that. But what you need to do here is you want to go to the top right of your browser and you want to go and click on the three dot icon I see here at the top right. So this small icon here, you want to press on that button. Now from here, you want to go ahead and go to settings. Now under settings, you want to go to the left side here. You want to look for privacy and security. Now in here, you want to go and choose security. Now in here, you want to scroll down a bit and you want to choose the option here that says use secure DNS. Now you want to guarantee that this option is turned on. And in here, instead of using OS default, you want to go and choose the public DNS or Google public DNS. Once you've done that, I could go ahead and exit this one and go back to Roblox. But just in case this does not work for you, another thing that you could try doing here is you want to visit a very specific folder. So you want to go to the search bar here in your PC, just type in run, and you want to open up this app here. Now you want to type in the following. It's going to be percentage local app data and click on OK. Again, the full text here, percentage local app data percentage, and click on OK. This should open up another folder. Now click one of the folders here and just press T on your keyboard. Now look for temp and open it up. Now in here again, you want to press any folder and just type in R and you should see Roblox. Now if you do see Roblox here, right click on it. Right click on it and you want to go and click on delete. And once you've done that, you go and go back into Roblox and see if that helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.